Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal Chanel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fluffy twist and curl. Make sure to stay tuned, hit that like button along with that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Hey everyone, so let's just go ahead and hop right into it. As you can see, I already have my hair freshly washed and in separate twists to kind of help me with detangling and styling. As I go through and unravel my twists, you'll see that my ends are definitely looking better since I've gotten my hair cut. I'm going to take my water bottle and I am going to go ahead and re-wet my strands so that it's easier to work with and I'm not tearing or ripping any of my hair out as I go through and detangle again. Now, I've already detangled prior to doing my style, so your hair should already be detangled. But take your leave-in conditioner. Today I'll be using the TGIN Miracle Repair leave-in conditioner as my leave-in as well as part of my styler. So I'm just going to take about a dime, quarter amount. You know, we never really measure how much we're putting on our hair, but I'm just going to take a small amount and rub that through my hair. Make sure that you're getting it from roots to end so that everything is being moisturized. Now I am going to go ahead and detangle my hair just to ensure that it's ready for me to start twisting and rolling. And as you can see, the brush is going through it very easy. I'm actually going to go ahead and put the conditioner throughout my entire hair before I start styling to make it easier for when I do get ready to start twisting and rolling my hair with the perm rods. Now, as y'all can see, I've come up to the top of my hair, and when I say my hair overall just feels so much healthier, you know, I use the Olaplex on my hair, and look at this cut. Like, my hair actually has a shape wet, and before it did not do that. I still have a few, you know, little limp pieces there that could probably be cut off, but I'm just going to leave those as is and allow my hair to kind of heal on its own. But you can see that I actually have a shape. So we're going to work with this. I'm just going to find how I want to part my hair, and I'm thinking I want it more towards the middle part. So I'm just going to move that around, figure out my shape before I start sectioning my hair off. Now, with my sectioning, you'll see here that I just have the middle part in a bun because I'll come back and I'll roll that last, but I have all of the perimeter of my hair sectioned and out so that I can clip it and do some big chunky twists and curls. I'm not trying to do small twists because I don't want to be here all day, so I am just going to do some chunky twists, and I'll be using my Creme of Nature Pure Honey curling mousse to help me keep this style and help it hold and curl. Now I am going to be using the purple rods. At first I thought that I was going to use the white and the purple ones, but I did just end up using the purple ones completely, you know, throughout my hair. I'm going to detangle this one more time, and then once I get it detangled, I have put just one pump of mousse into my hair. As you all know, with mousse, it doesn't take a lot, so don't use a lot of mousse. But I put one pump, and I am just going to start twisting from the root. And I'm going to twist it and maybe leave about 1 inch of hair before I roll that on the perm rod. So I am just going to take my brush and just ensure that those ends are detangled once more because I want that curl to be smooth. All right, and so now that I have this end ready, I left about 1.5 inches out. I'm going to roll it from the very end of my hair onto the roller. As you can see, I'm using my fingertips to just kind of keep that hair smooth on the roller, and I'm going to roll this all the way up to my roots. I am going to do this throughout my hair, so stay tuned to see what this all looks like and how it all comes together.
man think. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be, I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
What you'll notice on these two twists that's at the top is that I am twisting them forward. I wanted more of a curly fro look, so I want hair to come towards the front of my face. I don't want it to go towards the back. So that's the reason why I am twisting this forward, so that I can have that height in the middle in the crown of my head, and it can allow me to have that afro appearance, which is why I wanted a Rizzo cut. I wanted my hair to be able to have more of a afro rounded shape so that I can wear it with a part fully on, in my face, and not all going in one direction. So that's why you'll see that I am twisting these two towards the front of my face, because that's how I want them to lay. So however you want your twist to lay, that's the direction you need to twist. finally done. This is what it all looks like once it's all said and done. Remember, I was doing chunky twists, so these are not small twists. I did not part them in any kind of way. So here's what it looks like from the back. I would say maybe I had about 10 to 12 twists in my entire head. Let's sit under the dryer now and let this dry, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. All right, so we are back 1,000 years later and I have my Camille Rose Ultimate Growth Serum. This oil here, it smells so good, so I decided to use this to kind of help smooth my ends and help me with separating my twist. So I'm just putting this oil all over my head, not necessarily on my scalp, but just on the hair strands itself, just to give me, you know, a little bit of smoothness as I fluff. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as you unravel your twist, you want to make sure that you don't be rough. Try and be as gentle as possible to kind of help prevent some of the initial frizz. And in case some of your hair is still wet, you don't want to just start pulling the curls apart. So as you can see here, I kind of put my finger and I split it from the top and smooth down to help with the frizziness. And this way, it just helps me run my 2 fingers down the strand of the hair as I separate and get them all, you know, done. So you'll see me doing this as I separate my hair. Separating and fluffing with your pick can be a long process, so just be patient so that you can get the hair shaped and how you actually want it. We are back. I have taken all of the twists and the perm rods out, and now is where it gets real. I'm going to start off by spraying some shine spray onto my hair. I'll leave the brand of this down below in the description box for you all, but this shine spray is absolutely wonderful. I'll give you some of the benefits in the description, and I got this from Ulta. It's about $22 for this can, but it's everything. So if you're looking for a good shine spray, this is it. So I'm just going to take my pick now, and I am going to go through and start initially picking one side so that you all can see the difference once I finish with this side. And let me just start off by saying, when I say I'm finished with this side, I'm not finished with this side. Picking my hair, if you know, you know. It can take forever because when you want to have your hair perfect and want it just the way you want it, it can take a while to pick. So please be patient and just pick away. It's okay to have frizz. It's okay to have volume. Just pick your hair and get it the way that you want it for your style so that you can be happy and be confident with your appearance for the day. Now, if you can see here, look at the difference between that side compared to the other side. Picking works wonders. So again, take your time, pick your hair the way you want it, and you'll love the outcome. So this right here is a finishing spray that I use. It has more of like a medium hold, so this is going to not make your hair hard at all. It's literally a flexible hold that just kind of holds your hair in place, helps with humidity and things of that nature. So it's really good. I also got that one from Ulta, so I'll leave the link for that one below as well. That bottle, I believe, ran about $32 for the bottle, but it lasts a long time, and again, it has a great hold for your hair. I am absolutely loving my hair. It's soft, it looks good, it's shiny, it feels good in my hands. I am going to keep picking this, throughout the day with my fingers and with my pick, just to make sure it is how I like it. But this is the finished results of my twist and curl with about 12 perm rods, and I absolutely love it. What do y'all think? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my video and hit that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.